Hello guys, now I will show you how to use tomato and sugar on your face. Now I will show you how to use tomato and sugar on your face. But before that, if you are new on my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for you to notify if I have a new video. What we need is, of course, tomato and sugar. So the first step that we will do is get a knife, a plate of course, and we will cut the top of the tomato. Okay. Okay. So we'll put it aside and put sugar on a plate. 1 tablespoon. So I put 2 teaspoons and spread the sugar with the back of the spoon. Okay. Get the top of the tomato that you cut and we will use as a pad. Okay. Dip on the sugar. And then first is the forehead. Of course, forehead. And gently scrub in a small circular motion. Okay. Down to the face. Here. Other. Okay. Okay. Dip again. If it is, you feel not the sugar is not there already. Okay. After that, dry with a towel. Okay. That's it. Now after using a tomato and sugar as a facial scrub, now the result effect on my face. I feel so soft, really.